My shit was either bought out by the government or some kind of there's some kind of label out there somewhere. My record label is still in business, which is a hell of a thing to say. I mean, anybody can do it, but like between this is what I just read. Between 1950 and 1960, there were 1,500 record labels that popped up. Only three would exist. My shit is not comparable to Dave Matthews. When you hear Dave Matthews, it is no good. I had a story to tell. You can listen to my bar tapes and be like, "Holy shit, this kid's good." Wow, there's a couple of recordings of him. He's fucking good. That's what you would hear when you heard my shit. Dave Matt. I mean, I don't. God bless him. I feel real bad because like "Crash Into Me" was a good song and it was kind of good. A lot of people got married to that song and shit. It's just me and you against the world, baby. Dave Matthews Crash Into Me playing as they were married. You know, I'm coming to you. You know, Dave Matthews trying to get that Princeton pussy, trying to get that Yale pussy, in his dirty little fingers and that that Ivy League pussy. Dave Matthews. Dave Matthews knew to took his yeah yeah. But John Popper got it all over Dave Matthews. I say again, John Popper come out. Yeah, blue. I mean, it's not fair to even call them blues because he plays the harp so well. But John Popper, that's someone I would like to meet. I would like to get in good and meet him and drink with him or whatever he does. I'd like to do it with him and figure out the majesty of harmonica like that. Sit down and if you're gonna get lessons, get them from the best. I would get him as a and he would make a list for me and be like, go out and buy these harmonicas. You come back with these harmonicas, I'll give you a lesson. And I came back, I bought all the harmonicas. I came back to John Popper's house. I was like, yo, let's watch some porn and do some and blow some harmonica. And he would and yeah, I mean nothing against Dave Matthews, but I mean John Popper got it all over Dave Matthews. And I'd love to kick it. And Goo Goo Dolls were very important too. I know. Tell me about it. That was the band you love to hate. It was with me and my band. We're like, this dude did just what was his name? Resnick, Justin. I'm trying to remember. Yeah, that was the band you love to hate. You're like, look at this motherfucker. He's so fucking beautiful with his songs and shit. His Goo Goo Dolls shit. I love to hate them. I loved them and hated them at the same time. That was sugar sweet pop back then. Um, Remember him? And he was good. He had tunes. He had motherfucking. He had Iris. He had Runaway Train. Good looking mother. You too pretty. But those were the joints, and those were indeed the jams back then. No doubt about it. There's some sweet pussy out there that's bouncing around. Now that her granddad used to listen to Dave Matthews. 5 more years or so. Wow. Well, I gotta get a bitch pregnant. That's all I know. But Suba could definitely sing Mazzy if that's what somebody was asking. She has that voice range. If Sue don't sing it, Little Milabot sing it. The real Danielle Bigoli sing it. Francis Bean sing it. Francis Bean could sing it. That's a that's a walk in the park for her. I say you get a bit. You get You could that get Francis. That's the ultimate. Um. That's the ultimate Michelle Phillips. That's the ultimate. That's your China to the Wilson sisters, or whatever. That's the China White. That's the silence is golden, bitch. That is the deeper shade of soul, bitch. That is the whiter shade of pale, bitch. That's the bitch. You put that Francis could be that. You put her in your group, that'd be the Michelle Phillips bitch. At least it would in my group that or around my shit. That'll be the next record cover. You see Daddy in a bathtub with Francis Bean draped inside it, and no one getting fat but Mama Cass shooting fish in a barrel, shooting crabs in a barrel of monkeys. You know what I'm saying? That wordplay. That hunk of burning love. You know what I mean? That cream tangerine. That tangerine dream. That strawberry alarm clock.